Hey guys, Alex over at Milwaukee Powersports in the parts department now. I'm going to show you how to change your visor on this brand new Icon Airform helmet. Alright, to start you're going to put your thumb right underneath here, pop open your visor, and you're going to push these little tabs towards the back of the helmet as you pull the visor off. It should make you an audible click. After that you're just going to repeat the process on the other side, and then your visor comes right off the helmet. After that you're going to take your brand new visor, make sure these clips are still in the back position. You're going to tilt it so that the plastic angle matches up with the helmet until you hear a click. Just like that, this will pop back forward. Then you're going to turn the helmet around, do the same to the other side right here until you hear the click, and that moves back forward. After you go back to the old visor, you'll notice that it has these colored side clips right here. It will sound like they're breaking. Don't worry, you're going to slip one thumb underneath here, pull them off like that. It'll have two clips on either side, and you're just going to set those off to the side for now. After that you're going to lay the helmet on its side. I like to balance it on my knee. You're going to match up these two clips to the inside of the helmet here and here, and you're going to push till you hear a click. After that, do the bottom one, then your side piece is back on. You'll flip it over to the right side of the helmet, grab your other matching side piece, and repeat the process, making sure to line it up with the two clips. And then push until you hear the clicks. And that is how you change your visor.